I'm going to show you a couple of different packs of dishwashing pods that I bought off Amazon, and want to show you what they look like up close and then talk to you about what I do like about these. These are both made by Finish. You see here, #1 world's recommended brand. This one over here is the Finish Powerball Quantum. It comes with 82 in the pack. This one is the Finish Gelpacs. Comes with 84 in the pack. One of the things I like about these, and I've been dissatisfied with other brands, is I really don't like it when I reach in here and the pods are stuck together, and then when I pull them apart, sometimes it breaks it and it leaks out. I don't like that at all, so I was thrilled to find that these do not appear to be stuck together. They're all individually separated, which is a great thing. Same with these. They're very loosely, individually, not stuck together. When you pull them apart, it rips open and dumps in the bag and wastes half your stuff. I don't like that at all. So I use both of these. I can't necessarily say that one does a better job than others. Both seem to do a great job for our dishes, and they are as advertised. And my main point is they don't stick together, so I can definitely recommend both of these.